Skyhook, this is Dustcap. Intel confirms 2 comm towers relaying theater-wide signals. Priority is destruction. You are cleared hot.
Copy that. Getting after them. That was tasty. Hellfire. Get into my belly. Up you go.
That's a bullseye. Splash confirmed on both towers. Skyhook, return to base.
Roger, on my way. Mondo, where are you, bud?
Skyhook, return to base.
Sir, sounds like Mondo is...
We're looking into it. Not your objective, Travis. Come home now.
Sir, I'll be home in time for dinner.
Travis!
Mondo, hang on, dude. I'm coming.
Travis, you need to get out of there now. Enemy jet approaching.
Enemy what?
Get out of there!
Mondo, can you read? Mondo! Oh, shit. He's like a new man.
Altitude.
Okay, what the hell did I... Oh, shit.
Tommy, Travis, I'm on my way, but,
Congratulations, man.
yeah, the thing is, I'm a little short.
What do you mean you're short? How
It's
short?
a little short.
Damn it, Travis.
Come on, Tommy, you know I'm good for it.
I'm not good for anything these days.
I'll work it off. Got any, odd job?
Okay, give me an honest day's work and the bird's yours. You do actually remember how to fly this thing, yeah?
Sure, just like riding a bike.
Woo! Look at the old man go. Okay, now head down to the farm. Need you to get my chickens back in the pen.
The chickens? You serious?
Hell yeah, I hate chasing them little cluckers around. Maybe you use that rope gently. Don't try nothing funny. I got your truck here, okay?
There's nothing funny about me, Tommy. Love me some HP. Okay, they're in.
Great, how they do.
They didn't love it.
They'll get over it. Okay, now I need you to move that leaky gas tank out of the yard before it kills somebody.
Move it where?
I don't know, just tossing that junk pile across the way. Just like the good old days, huh? Maybe you actually do know what you're doing.
You had that?
Still do, Travis. All right, now replace that tank with one of the others outside the yard. Carefully, these are fully loaded. Damn it, Travis. I told you to be careful. All right, grab another. Try again.
All right, done.
Hey, thanks, Travis. That's great. Hey, you mind heading back this way? A couple of them Canyon boys sniffing around the yard don't feel right.
Sure, I'll see if I can scare them off.
Oh, hell, they just took off from a truck. They're heading toward town.
I'm on them.
Woo! You really gave him a ride.
Not gonna lie, that was kind of fun.
Chopper's yours, you earned it. Guess you could just haul your truck back with you.
Gonna try. Thanks, Tommy.
Oh, no, thank you, Travis. Just try not to get yourself killed in that thing, all right?
We'll see.
Hey, Travis, can you fly back this way, like, now? We got a big problem.
I'm heading over. What's up?
I think you pissed off them Canyon boys something fierce. There's a mob of them heading this way, heavily armed.
You know I'm not heavily armed, right?
You're pretty crafty with that rope, though.
On my way. Okay, I'm here. Where's the problem?
They're coming down from the north.
All right. You stay where you're at. I got this. trash? That was... Oh, shit.
What?
There's more coming. Stay down. Okay, that's a lot of gunfire. All right, I think that's all of them this time. Action note, there's a bunch more.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, that has to be all of it. Oh, you gotta be shitting me.
What? How many?
I don't have enough rope for all that.
You sure as hell don't. But I got something could help.
Who the hell? And how'd you get this?
Y'all want to do pleasantries or save your asses? Asses, please. Travis, I marked a spot on your map. Get over here quick.
How do you know my name?
You want ammo or not? He definitely wants ammo.
All right, I'm coming.
All right, scoop him up. This round's on the house.
Why are you helping us?
I've been watching you. See some potential, assuming you survive this situation.
Oh, yeah? And who are you?
You can call me Desert Mike.
Okay, Desert. Now that's a civilized way to do it.
Oh, I just got that fixed.
Well, it didn't die alone.
Travis, they're getting close.
Yeehaw! That'll teach you to stay in the canyon, shitbags.
Holy shit, that was... Boy, I can't believe you. Not bad, Travis, but not over neither. Okay, make your way up the canyon. There's a spot right before you reach the compound where you can camp till nightfall.
Always wanted to do a river cruise. Where the hell they get missiles?
I don't know. This may be a little rougher than expected. Remember to use your dodge.
This ain't my first rodeo, Mikey.
Just Mike, Travis.
You like Thai food? This is just like that. That's a double for me tonight. Oh, that's just like a steak freeze. I feel like $100. almost there. Now take cover in that cove just ahead and wait for sunset.
Sweet. I could use a little nap.
All right, it's go time. Fly in, take out all the armories and turrets, then hustle back to town in time for pancakes.
I'm more of a waffle guy, but okay. They got a jet, man.
What? There's no way.
I know what a jet looks like, Michael.
Mike,
My last run-in with one of these was no bueno.
just stay calm and finish the job, all right?
All right.
All the armories. Nice work.
Where the hell did they find all these guys?
Same place you found that chopper.
eBay?
On to dead. That's the last turret. Nice work. The sky is yours.
Like the sound of that.
Okay, that should set him back a decade or so. Now get on out of there.
Fire up the waffle iron. I'm on my way. Oh shit, that jet's back.
Stay cool. It ain't gonna go in that canyon.
Rain of fire down here.
Use that dodge, Travis.
Where the hell they get a jet?
I don't know, but I'ma figure it out.
Oh shit, another jet?
Oh, good. He made it.
You mean that one's ours?
I think you're safe for now, Travis. Let's get pancakes.
Waffles. You paying attention, Desert?